Hello, and please welcome my first male doll. I've always created female dolls, but this time I'm tackling the challenge of not only varying body types, but also the anatomy. This idea started from sculpting the head. So one evening I had an inspiration to sculpt the man's face. After that, I decided to proceed with making the whole body. I started the body from blueprint, referencing the female one. The man's body will be taller and wider in shoulders. This time I started to sculpt the body in the right way. I made the small basic dummy with the plasticine. With this method, it's easier to make torso hollow and to adjust the thickness of the layer of the material. After finishing the base from plasticine, I wrap it up and unpack my one and only LaDoll clay. I cover the dummy with the first thin layer of the material, and only after it dries a little, I start to sculpt the basic muscular image. Next step will be to remove the plasticine. It's much better and much easier to remove it on the early stages when the body has only one layer of the clay. But sometimes I just can't help myself and sculpt the entire body part in one go. So now I have kind of a little challenge to remove the dummy and to not destroy the torso. First, I cut the doll under the chest, where I plan to make the first torso joint. The bottom part should be cut all the way through the sides and in the bottom, and clayed together after that. The top part dummy didn't include the neck, so I just made these side cuts and tried to take the plasticine out with the force. That eventually broke the parts a little, but it will be also clayed together later. As for the torso joint, I will try different ways. For now, I have a cut under the chest, and I also draw a line above the waist, approximately under the rib cage. So in the end, the torso constructed like a shrimp. This joint type looks logically composed and in a way corresponds with the human body movement scheme. I will try these joints and check if it will work. There are two different criteria to check up: the visual aesthetics and joint mobility. In the end of this video, I wanted to thank you for watching, ask you to like it if you find it somehow helpful or enjoyable, and subscribe if you want to see the ideas come into life. See you in the next video. Bye!